Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make streusel topping for muffins. This easy guide will help you create a delicious, crumbly topping that elevates any baked good. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Don't forget 4 tablespoons of very cold unsalted butter and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for that perfect flavor. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's start mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour with your 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Add your 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon here too. Use a whisk to thoroughly combine these dry ingredients, breaking up any clumps of brown sugar. This ensures a uniform base for our delicious streusel. The next crucial step is incorporating the cold butter. Take your 4 tablespoons of very cold unsalted butter and cut it into small 1/2-inch cubes. Add these butter pieces to your dry ingredient mixture. Now, using your fingertips or a pastry blender, work the butter into the flour mixture. Continue mixing until the streusel resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces of butter remaining. This creates that signature crumbly texture. Congratulations, your perfect streusel topping is now complete. It should have a lovely crumbly texture, ready to adorn your favorite muffins or other baked treats. Simply sprinkle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this delicious mixture over the top of each muffin before baking. This recipe yields enough streusel for approximately 12 standard-sized muffins. Enjoy the delightful crunch and flavor this easy topping adds to your baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.